In 1769, a throng of Bostonians gathers at the Liberty Tree to celebrate the 4th anniversary of the Stamp Act resistance. The hours-long celebration includes music, the firing of a cannon, dinner, and multiple toasts. Britain's Parliament had passed the Act for granting and applying certain stamp duties in the British colonies and plantations in America, better known as the Stamp Act, on March 22, 1765. It put a small tax on several items, many of them paper goods, like official documents, newspapers, and playing cards. Those accused of violating the Stamp Act could be tried in the Vice Admiralty courts, which had no juries and could be held anywhere in the British Empire. The act was intended to help the British government pay back massive debts incurred fighting the French and Indian War, or 7 Years' War, which had concluded 2 years earlier in 1763. American colonists fiercely opposed the Stamp Act, seeing it as a direct attempt by Britain to levy taxes without colonial consent. It ignited widespread protests across the colonies and popularized the rallying cry, "No taxation without representation." Organized groups like the Sons of Liberty emerged, leading demonstrations, boycotts of British goods, and acts of civil disobedience. Some of the protests even turned violent. The resistance ultimately forced the British government to repeal the Stamp Act in 1766, but the conflict set the stage for future disputes over taxation and representation, fueling the drive toward American independence.